guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. It's so good to be back and बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है आज मुझे फिल्म करने because हम कर रहे हैं एक D-tan pack and I know I get a lot of questions that you keep asking me how to get rid of face tanning and because we go out so much in the sun and tan हो जाती है skin. What do we do? So today I'm back again and yes, I have done a few D-tan pack videos earlier, but then ये जो मैं आपको आज बताने वाली हूँ, it's going to be a little different. So I'm going to tell you how you can make a D-tan pack at home with like really natural ingredients जो आपका kitchen में मिल जाएगा easily. So let's start. So guys, this D-tan pack, first thing that we'll need is multani mitti, जो बहुत important है. And अपने face के लिए it's really good for your skin and बहुत अच्छे से D-tan कर देता है skin को and also protects your skin. Multani mitti is a great thing that you really have to keep it at home. आप face पे लगाए. It's so natural and it's easily available in all the stores. आपको आसानी से मिल जाएगा and you just have to apply multani mitti. Yes, we all know that multani mitti is good, but how do we make this face pack? क्या है? What is that ingredient that will get the tan out? Which will remove the tan from your skin. So for this, you will see, जब भी आप facial कराने जाते हो, you bleach your face, and that's how you get rid of tan. So we need a little bit of bleaching agent, which you will get at home. Guys, don't get scared. Bleaching agent बोल रही हूँ. So बहुत easily you get it in potato, which is aloo. So potato has this really nice bleaching agent in it, and also tomato. टमाटर जो घर पे होता है, so उसमें भी you have this acid in that which will really get rid of your tan and give you that brightness. So how you make this face pack? You take one tomato, cut it into few pieces, add it into a blender and एक बार ये मिक्सी चला दो. So now you get the paste. Now this paste is your tomato paste that we'll use. Then you take one potato, a small potato, cut it into pieces, grind this also and remove the paste. So this is your potato and tomato paste. Yes, separately up रख दे. Now what we do, we take multani mitti. 1 spoon is enough for your face. That's more than enough. If you want to apply a full body, you add 2. So multani mitti 1 spoon, add your tomato paste, then you also add your potato paste. Now 1 spoon दोनों का, mix it really well. Okay, once you've mixed it, this is what you get. So ये है paste जो मैंने बनाया है. This is multani mitti, tomato and potato. And अभी मैं इसे लगाऊंगी अपने face पे. So let me just tie my hair, and yes, I have blue hair. So let me just tie my hair and be right back. So I've tied my hair, ready to apply the face pack. ये है मेरा face pack. So make sure that you wash your hair and pat dry. Now you just apply this face pack. You can also add little bit of rose water अगर आपको एकदम thin consistency चाहिए. But this is perfect for me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this. I've applied the face pack, applied evenly everywhere on your face. You can also apply it on your hands अगर आपका your hand and neck area, everywhere, anywhere you want, but stand. So let this stay for about 15 minutes and then I'll be right back. Guys, I've just washed my face and can you see the difference? My skin is bright, a little bit bright, and of course, I mean, I've been doing this for a while, so I can see the results. So you have to do it at least, for a month. Like every week you do this once or twice if you can. then आपको पूरा difference पक्का दिखेगा. But I really like this face pack and it's so easy. घर पे टमाटर ले लिया, आलू ले लिया, just blend it, take मुल्तानी मिट्टी and apply it. And you know, as I told you, tomato has really good, it removes your tan, and potato, it gives you that brightness. Okay, so it'll make you a little fairer. That's what potato does. So every time अगर आप आलू भी काट रहे, you will see your hands थोड़े bright हो जाते. So that's how this idea came to me, and that's how I made this face pack. Love it, I love it, and I think you guys should really try this and let me know in the comment section below. And I will see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.